What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on FNGR stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this asset. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point when this asset hit the range of about $7 mark, and my main assumption was that we completed five-way structure on the smaller scale, and this means we have to see some kind of pullback. And I have to say that I made a minor mistake because I didn't, as you can see, we are on hourly time frame. But if we switch to 15 minutes time frame or even to 5 minutes time frame, we can see that this structure wasn't completed, and most likely the top of our fifth wave is right here, because we have first wave very shallow retracement, then another first, second, third, fourth, fifth of the internal third wave. And we have a rule of alternation. When the first wave is very shallow, fourth wave should be much deeper, and we have this fourth wave and another leg to the upside that completed the fifth wave. But in general, this mistake shouldn't affect any type of your positions, because my another assumption was that we shouldn't break the top of our B wave right here. Let's switch again to hourly time frame. We shouldn't break this previous high. We should retest it probably. Then we have to see some kind of pullback in order to collect more steam. And with the next movement to the upside, we have to break these two tops. And it will be the internal third wave that will form the fifth wave on a slightly bigger scale. So quite complicated, but in just several minutes I will show you what I'm talking about. And for now, let's continue with the fundamental news. So first of all, let me show you this article that was published on October 17th on Second Alpha, and it's titled "Fingermotion Stock Looks Attractive with a Big Data Business Expansion Plan." And let me go to just the summary. Fingermotion plans to expand its mobile top-up services and data protection systems to provide shareholder value and increase recurring revenue streams. The company's revenue has grown significantly with a 86% year-on-year increase in Q2 full year 2024 and 118% year-on-year increase for the 6 months ending August 31st, 2023. Fingermotion's big data analytics platform, Sapientus, has the potential to become a significant source of revenue, particularly in the insurance industry. So, and I don't want to dig deeper inside this article. It is quite bullish article, and it based on fundamentals of Fingermotion. And on my previous video, I also made quite thorough due diligence in their recent earnings report, and this earnings report was impressive in my opinion. But let me show you quite interesting news. Let me show you quite interesting tweet that was published by Kristen Shaughnessy on October 16th, right after the earnings report was published. So, question for Benzinga about their October 16th report on Fingermotion. 1. Who was the analyst for this report on FNGR? 2. Who does the analyst work for? 3. Where did the analyst get the $14.8 million number? 4. Who fact-checked this piece? And who was the copy editor for this report, and who decided it was ready to post and print? And she also refers to this tweet that was made by Benzinga, and it was quite interesting update from their company that Fingermotion missed their revenue estimation by 37.3%. And this number of $14.8 million is quite a unique number, because I cannot even imagine how they received this number. So, and I think it is still another link of the chain of illegal activity on the market that is pushing this ticker symbol as well to the downside. And you probably know that this asset is under attack of short sellers. And we have basically two companies, Univest and Lean Partners. First company is the company that is investing right before the huge spike of the underlying assets. But the second company, Lean Partners, is the company that tries to push the price of underlying asset lower. And so far we still have this fighting between these two companies, and I think we have to win as the retail community, and eventually, and from the technical analysis as well, we should break this previous swing high at roughly $8 mark to complete the fifth wave. But let me show you quite interesting detail. First of all, you know that short squeeze should happen with the support of retail community. But if you take a look on the short stocktweets.com website, right here on the trending section, you will not find FNGR ticker symbol on the top 10 list. You will not find this ticker symbol on the most active section. And you will not find this ticker symbol on the watchers section as well. This means this website doesn't support, at least you cannot find a lot of mentions from this website regarding the support of FNGR. On top of that, if you take a look on the appwisdom.io website, and this website tracks the activity of Wall Street Bets community regarding different assets. And from Wall Street Bets community, this asset doesn't have any support at all. And it is quite weird, don't you think so? On top of that, if you try to find FNGR stock on YouTube search results, you will not see any recent updates regarding this asset, and I think it has to be some videos regarding this asset that was published just, let's say, a couple of hours ago. Because in general, the support from retail community is quite huge, but for some reasons we cannot find this support from the main sources of information. And that is why I think it is quite weird to see this lack of support, and at the same time we have quite strong price action from the FNGR stock at the same time. And let me show you an update from the short seller's perspective. So we are on fintel.io, and we are in the section of short sales interest. And as you can see, we have 0 shares available for shorting of FNGR stock, and these numbers are very low for quite a long period of time. And guys, you have to keep in mind that it is not the total number of shares available for shorting. It is just the number of shares from leading a prime brokerage, and usually it is interactive brokers, but it shows the sentiment that we have lack of shares for shorting for this asset, and this means we potentially might see a short squeeze. On top of that, the short borrow fee rate is extremely high. It is 174.51%, and it is a mind-boggling number because it shows that short sellers should pay extremely high price for their short position, and this means they are in a not so stable situation with their short position. On top of that, the off-exchange short volume ratio is also very high. As you can see, it is 64.37%, and it is the highest one basically almost from the beginning of the month, from the beginning of October. And this means we still have this short squeeze very possible, and this short squeeze might happen anytime soon. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, I still stand on my position that in order to complete the structure, and you know that motive wave should have 5 waves to the upside, then usually it should have 3 waves retracement, and right after that we have to form another leg to the upside. And let me show you this price action in details. And if I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from its lowest point to its highest point, as you can see, we already hit with this movement to the downside 0.236 Fib level, and this means we have about 30% probability of trend reversal from this level. But on the other hand, we have more probable levels of trend reversal of 0.5 and 0.65, 0.618. But you have to keep in mind that potentially we might not even hit them. And that is why I think you have to be very cautious with any of your long position. But from the fundamental standpoint, I don't see any obstacles on the way up for this asset. That is why I think we have to form the next leg to the upside that will start to form internal third wave of the fifth wave on a bigger scale. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.